Hey guys, welcome
Hey
to another episode of YaadMentz Tries.
YaadMentz Tries.
So before we continue in this video, we want you to subscribe. If you're a new viewer, follower, just trying out and seeing our video, subscribe to our channel for amazing, awesome content, and also hit that notification
bell,
yes,
so that you can be notified every time we post a video.
Right.
Also, please remember to follow us on Instagram also at YaadMentz, and like us on Facebook at YaadMentz.
Everything YaadMentz.
Yes.
Yard people thing. Hashtag Yard people thing.
Yard people thing. I like that.
Yeah. That's it. All right. So what are we doing today?
All right. So today we are gonna be trying some donuts from Go Donuts.
The logo kind of upside down, but just watch the clip of the B-roll. You will see.
Yeah, you will see it.
Yeah.
So we actually have 6 different flavors.
Right.
Of donuts. They are cake-based donuts.
Right. We're going to show you the clip again of the donuts in the nice little box.
We're going to show you them.
Right.
But let me just tell you what we have. So we have one cookie and cream. We have banana Nutella. We have key lime pie. We have bacon maple.
You know that's for her. I don't do the
bacon maple.
Thing.
And we have coconut dream and cinnamon sugar.
Right.
Yeah. So they're in that order.
Right. So this box, it consists of 6, right? And for this 6 we get, it's for $500
yeah,
for this
$500 for 6.
Right.
And they have different quantities that you can get. I think you can get 500. You can get 6 for 500.
12 and 36.
Right, exactly.
Right.
Wow,
and the prices go up there. But the flavors are nice.
Yeah,
cute.
they have a lot of different flavors.
Yeah.
S'mores, M&M's, chocolate
different
sprinkles,
flavors.
rainbow.
But
so they have a lot of different stuff to choose from.
So
we just chose a few. Some of them sound a little different. The bacon maple. We'll see how that will taste.
So we saw it on Instagram, so I said, let us try this. But they were also
they were actually at Meat Street.
Right.
Yes, and you guys need to check out that video of Meat Street. We'll link it. If you guys haven't watched that episode of YaadMentz, they were there as well. So today we're actually trying Go
Donuts for the first time.
They're
cute, small little donuts. Yeah. Oh my god, look at this cute little thing.
Yeah, and as I said before, they're cake-based donuts.
Right. This is nice. Smell nice as well. You want to go first? Take a first bite of this one.
Okay. So this one that I'm trying is cookie and cream.
It's nice. See the crumbs.
Yeah,
it's sweet.
Really nice.
This is nice.
I like that one. Which one do I try next? I would give that one a thumbs up.
Yeah.
That was
cookie and cream. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
I like a thumbs up for this video.
I want to try the key lime. Alright, so the key lime is the one that looks a little, I guess, kind of plain.
Yeah.
But this is key lime.
Okay. Go ahead.
It does taste like lime. I don't really know how key lime is supposed to taste, but it does taste like
nice.
lime.
It's nice.
I like it. Are we gonna eat all 6? We'll have to try all 6.
Yeah.
Then that one now, this one now is
Nutella banana.
Nutella banana.
Okay.
This is actually my first time trying Nutella.
Yeah? I'm not really a fan of Nutella, but it's okay. I'll give this one a halfway thumbs.
How much you give the key lime?
The key lime was definitely a thumbs up because it's really nice. It's not so, the key lime was not so sweet, even though it have the glaze over it. It was good still.
Yeah. And this one, I give this one a thumbs up. So the Nutella banana.
Okay.
I said thumbs up. What you said?
Halfway thumbs.
Okay.
I think this is the bacon.
Yes.
No, that's for you.
No, we are going to try.
No, that's for you.
Alright, guys. I'm going to try the maple
bacon. That's nice.
It has like a salty.
Yeah, I can smell the bacon. It's like those bacons that you get into like a like shaky container and they just kind of grind it. Bacon bits. They just grind it on it. That's what it is.
Actually, like this. I like the saltiness.
Yeah.
And the sweetness. Thumbs up.
All right. On to the next one. This is
Coconut
Dreams. Coconut
We're
cream.
literally messing up the place right now, but it's all good.
Yeah.
You should feed me.
Anything with coconut on it, I'm a big fan. So this is definitely a thumbs
Good.
up. It's definitely a thumbs up.
Good. I like it.
Yeah. Look at my finger. It's that good. They are located in Barbican at the Texaco.
Gas station.
Inside the Texaco gas station.
Yeah.
So if you go to the area like where is it? It's inside the Texaco gas station. Right there in Barbican. Across, right there in Barbican.
Yeah, across from Fontana-ish, you know that
Yeah.
gas station there, so yeah.
And the last one is cinnamon sugar.
Nice too. As the name suggests, cinnamon sugar.
Yeah.
Thumbs
They're
up.
all nice. Definitely a thumbs up for the cinnamon sugar as well.
These are like a real nice, if you're going to a party or something, these are nice to get.
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
Can get different flavors, people can choose what they want.
They're nice.
This is and actually, sometimes apart from the different toppings, I think the donut is very soft. Like it tastes very fresh.
They're made to order.
Made to order. Yeah, it tastes. I don't know. It just tastes really good. Like I really like it.
As you said, we definitely give Go Donuts a thumbs up. It's definitely worth a try. It's a pity though they're way in Barbican, so if you're in Portmore or whatever.
Anyway,
but I do think
doesn't matter.
They have deliveries and stuff.
Yes, they do deliver.
Right, so we can follow them on their page, so you can see what they offer and you know what you can do to get to try Go Donuts. Donuts on the go. It's nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Nice little package.
I'll get it again. This is definitely YaadMentz
next
approved.
try. Yeah, YaadMentz approved. Go Donuts. Get your official Go Donuts.
Yes.
For real.
So we want to thank you guys for watching another video.
Yeah.
And please remember to subscribe if you haven't. Please remember to like this video if you enjoyed what we did today.
Yeah.
Remember to share with your friends. Remember to leave a comment.
Right.
Comment your suggestions.
If you've ever tried it before as well, and tell us.
Comment and let us know if you have ever tried it, and also comment if you have any suggestion of anything you'd like to see us try on YaadMentz Tries. We will add it to our list and we will definitely check it out.
Definitely.
But we will see you in our next video.
Yes.
Bye guys.
Sorry, I don't have any. There's not even more for me to just take on.
Yeah, because you know, so every time when we're going away, you want to just eat off whatever is left.
Anyway.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. YaadMentz Tries.
Bye
See you
guys.
When you're through watching this video, you can hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get our latest videos. Also, head over to Instagram and follow us at YaadMentz so you can see our latest posts.